Detectives are here! Baby Dino! No! Garoo! Look at the castle I built! Here comes the excavator! Ha! Okay, Dylan! Drive the excavator over! Alright, Miss Nina! Hooray! Oh? Garoo! Pally, why aren't you playing with us? What's the matter, Pally? You can tell us! The triennial pterosaur flying competition is coming up. Now that I'm old enough, I have to compete for my family's honor. Oh, I understand. You're afraid of heights, and you're scared to participate. Yes, I've been worried about it for days. Don't be afraid. You can do it. Remember how you rescued me without a parachute? So brave! Last time was an emergency! Not to fear, Nina has a special emergency training. Nina's special training will help you overcome your fear and win first place. Garoo, don't you think Pally is acting weird? Pally has always been afraid of heights, but he seems even more nervous today. I wonder if something happened to make him so scared. Next up in our flight training, the obstacle course. Carry these sandbags and fly through the obstacles. I'm afraid I can't do this. Be confident. You can do it. Hey, Pally. Huh? You don't want to overdo it. Rest a little. Little sister, what are you doing here? I'm here to watch you train and cheer you on. Lately, you should be taking it easy and not walking around. It's okay. She can sit on this stool. Thank you, guys. Pally, it's so nice to finally meet your sister. How did she get hurt? Yes, it looks like her wing is hurt badly. Here, Pally, have a drink of water. I'm going to train. Ha! Pally, you can do this. Take a deep breath. Wow! Whoa! There's one last circle left! You're looking like a great flyer! Let's practice one more time! Go for it, Pally! You must succeed! Do it for your sister! Ouch! Pally! What should we do? The competition starts this afternoon, but Pally hasn't woken up! Dr. Stegosaurus said he was fine, but the pressure was getting to him. All we can do is take care of him and wait. It's all my fault. If it wasn't for me, my brother would be all right. It was that day, 3 years ago. We didn't have tickets for the last flying competition, but I really wanted to see it. I pestered my brother so much he gave in, and we both snuck into the arena. I was only 3, and was still new to flying up so high. Oh, we're too short to see anything. It's okay, I'll fly you up to see it. Really? Yes! But Pally, you've just learned how to fly up so high. High altitude flying is dangerous for kids like us. Plus, someone could see us. We're not going. How hard could it be? Climb on and let's go. Isn't the competition great? Yeah, the view is amazing.
Hey, who's up there?
No! I'm sorry to hear that. When I fell, my wings got hurt, and I was in the hospital. Pally was only 4, and has been afraid of heights ever since then. But I think my brother is the bravest, and... I know, my wings are so much better. Dr. Stegosaurus said I should still rest them until fully healed. But Pally needs me. I'm entering the competition to help him get his confidence back. He'll feel better when he sees me flying again. My brave brother Pally, wish me luck. We'll be rooting for you too!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Triennial Pterosaur Flying Competition.